She wanted an Eskimo kiss, huh? A butterfly kiss? That's better. She's happy, you're right. And Bandit. That's right, and Bandit's happy, and Leia's happy, and Bailey's happy. Everybody's happy, huh? And look, Solo's happy too. And Jordy's happy. And Chewie and Vader are happy.
Yay! And Bandit's happy. Oh, and Leia's so happy. She's
And Bandit's happy.
And Leia's happy.
And Naya's happy.
And Sosa's happy.
And Soso's happy.
All happy.
Everybody's happy, all happy.